Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove space at the top of the page in Google Docs. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, go right here to File and then click on Page Setup. Here you should see margins in inches. So we want to go to this top margin, select it and type in 0.1. Now, once you did that, you can also type 0 if you want. Then press OK right here, and as you can see, the margin is away. So basically, this is how you simply remove space at the top of the page. You can, as you can see, you can just leave 0 here, and then you have no space at all. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.